Hello, what is your name?
My name is Bella Baleran,
How old are you?
44 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, single.
Okay, so no kids, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 6 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
Malaysia.
How many years?
8 months.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 year and 3 months.
Where's your employer? Living in?
Taikushi.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
700 square feet.
How many family member there?
1 couple and 1 2-year-old boy.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the
I
morning?
wake up in the morning at 6 a.m., washing the clothes, clean the living and dining room, and also together with the kitchen. And then at ironing at 9:30, wake up the kids, assist to brush the teeth, wash the face, prepare the milk. And after that, we play together. At 11 o'clock, I prepare the lunch. 11:30, feed him. And then assist to dress up. And then bring him to the school. And then 1:30, back in the house, clean the house. And then at 4:30, pick up the kids. And then after pick up, marketing. And then at 7 o'clock, prepare the food for dinner and cooking. After the dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. And then at 9:30, prepare milk again for the baby. And then 10 o'clock, bathing for the baby. And then 11 o'clock, bedtime. It's my bed. 11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.